Hey, so we just got this yogurt maker. We've made our first batch and we're about to make the second one. I'm going to show you how it works. There's a little manual here and we're going to follow the recipe. You can come a bit closer. We're going to use this maximum strength probiotic yogurt recipe. We're going to start it with a probiotic of our choice, which is what it says. And there is another ingredient that we add. We're going to mix it in the glass bowl. We found previously when we used the metal bowl, it didn't work. So I think just the tip, certainly from our experience, is to use glass. Once we've mixed that, we're going to pour it into these containers, put it in the yogurt maker, fill it with water. And then what's really cool about this one, if you take a look here, you're going to be able to set the temperature. We're going to set it at 99. But the hours, we're going to set at 36. And what's cool about this one is you can go up to 48 hours. Most of these only go to 12, so then you have to reset it. In our case, the recipe calls for 36 hours. So the trick here is to pour very little in when you first start. You want to create a little paste. Like this. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and it's just like making a mayonnaise. You just add a tiny bit each time you add some in the beginning. So we're getting a good mix here. And once you have a consistency like this where it's not lumpy, then you can start adding a bit more of the half and half each time. And then you'll get to the point where you can just add all of it at once. Good. Got all the lumps out, and now I can add it a little faster. All right, I'm going to pour this over into a container that makes it easier to fill those. I'm just going to fill these. Just spin. All right, so got all these filled. I'm going to put the little lids on. All right, so now it's a matter of putting them in here. Then on the final step, I'm going to add water in here. If you come close up, you can see that I'm filling it right up to the edge there, like that. And then this lid goes on it, like this. And plug it in. All right, so I've got it turned on. I'm going to hit the temperature button and I'm going to go down to 99, like this. And then I'm going to hit the timer button. And in our case, I'm going to go up to 36 hours. That's it. And I'll show you some of the consistency of what it looks like. We have another container here. We transferred it out of those small ones. And that's what it looks like. It's very, very tasty and very easy to make. So very healthy for you and a highly recommended product. Very easy to use.